And welcome back to another BobBlast. Hi, I'm Bob Burridge, and I just returned from Mexico doing a wonderful workshop with 18 students, and it was called Abstract Painting and Collage. We were all over the beach, and we had boat trips, and we stayed there, right there at the Casa de Los Artistas. That's a fantastic place to go and be creative. What I learned from this, and the importance of all of this, is that to give yourself a break. Give yourself a break, get out of your studio and take a workshop from a teacher whose work you admire or their technique that you admire. Okay, you need to take a break. I think this is a good time of the year to take a break anyway. Here comes the spring. So let me show you some of the things that we did in our workshop. So why take a workshop? To get out of your funk so you don't paint the same thing that you did last week, right? You're gonna learn something new techniques, meet all the other painters out there. They wanna get out of their studio too. The camaraderie is fantastic. When you take a workshop, you usually get a supply list. Don't make it big. It's gotta all fit in your suitcase. So we have limited supply, just a few brushes, some paints, a small sketchbook. This is one of the sketchbooks we were using when we were on the beach, just sketching all the people there that we would then put back into the paintings. Remember, this was an abstract class, and so we did some loose stuff based on some of our observations. So we did collage work. It was fantastic. Paper everywhere. We picked up paper from the streets, but it's right there at the beach at the Casa de Los Artistas. I'm gonna tell you, it's fantastic. One of my favorite places. I call it a paintcation. And you deserve to get out of the studio, get out of your funk. Don't paint the way you painted last week. You can stay home and do that. Learn something new, expand your horizon. Isn't that the whole idea? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next BobBlast. Hi there, I'm Bob Burridge, and we're going to the Bahamas this February. I cannot wait to go there with you. Can you imagine doing a workshop, painting by the beach, by the poolside for 5 days of painting? I cannot wait, because it's most relaxed. I call it a paintcation. Can you imagine painting every day? But there's the bar, there's the beach, and we're right there, we're relaxed. And we're creating wonderful paintings in this incredible Bahama aromas, the florals, and the wonderful aromas of the food cooking, and the ocean right there, fresh air, and perfect time of the year to get away, right? And to have a great time. It's my favorite place. I call it a paintcation. What a great name for it, a paintcation. And we're going to be painting loose abstracts. Wow! So I'll see you there, and I cannot wait to paint in the Bahamas with you.